Recently, we reviewed Dangbei Mars Pro 2 projector, which is a portable 4K laser projector. Now, while doing that, one thought that hovered in my mind was whether a portable projector today, which is laser in category as well as 4K in output, can it replace the installation projectors that have for long ruled the home theater segment? And not just me, I have got so many questions from my own sales team, which are through you obviously, about whether we can buy, let's say, an XGIMI projector versus Epson, BenQ or an Optima projector. And that's why we created a list of 10 main parameters required in a projector, and we are going to segregate them based upon portability and installation as the category. Starting off with the first parameter, which is size and portability. Now, undoubtedly, the portable category over here is going to be compact in size, will be easy to carry, as well as it is going to be a portable projector. But when it comes to an installation category, it is not going to be compact in size, it is going to be big, as well as it is not going to be very portable, because it will take some time to set that projector up if you are placing it on a table. Let us look at the second parameter, which is image quality and brightness. This, I believe, is the most important parameter while selecting a projector, and undoubtedly in this category, the installation projectors will always win because they start from 2500 lumens and above. Their lowest resolution in the home cinema space is Full HD, and lastly, they are going to be very high in brightness and in contrast. Similarly, in the portable category, they would typically start from only 250 ANSI lumens. They will have resolutions which will be HD ready, which is 720 pixel or anything above that. And lastly, they will not have very high brightness and contrast. Next up is the connectivity options. Now, connectivity options in a portable projector are always going to be plenty because it has got a feature to connect to multiple devices. For instance, you will have a built-in OS which can be Android or a Fire TV stick. It will have HDMI ARC or EARC. It may also have Bluetooth, it will have optical, analog, RCA connections, etc. Whereas a fixed install projector will not have so many options. You may be limited to 2 HDMI inputs and probably an audio output port. That is about the installation projector in the connectivity options. The fourth parameter is sound quality. Now again, when it comes to sound quality, an installation based projector will always rely on an external sound system, which can be a soundbar or a wired home theater system, because the projector's job here is to only give you a great picture on the screen. When it comes to the portable category, they will have a little decent speakers of around 20 watts probably, and most of the times these speakers are powered by Harman, Yamaha or Denon, which are good traditional audio brands. The fifth parameter is setup and installation. Now, undoubtedly, as the name suggests, the portable projectors will have an upper hand over here because they don't need a professional calibration or an engineer to come to their place. You simply have to plug the projector, turn it on, throw the image on the wall or on the screen, and it will auto-calculate the screen or auto-calibrate the screen on the wall. Whereas when it comes to the installation category of projectors, you definitely need a help of a professional engineer to calculate the throw distance and then to even install the projector using a mount. The next parameter is cost. Now, cost for portable projectors, which are currently trending on Amazon, they can start from as low as 5 to 10,000 rupees. We all know the scams involved in it. If you want to know more about it, check the link above for that video. And there are some good decent portable projectors also, starting from 80,000 rupees all the way up to 2.5 to 3 lakh rupees. When it comes to an installation category of projector, if you look at the full HD category, they typically start from around 60,000. The 4K enhanced ones will start from around 1 to 1.25 lakhs, and the 4K laser ones can be from around 3 lakh rupees. The seventh parameter is about maintenance and longevity of the projectors. Now, this is very crucial because we live in a country like India, which is prone to a lot of fluctuation issues which can damage the projector. In such cases, an installation projector will always give you an on-site service support, as well as it will give you higher period of warranty. When it comes to the portable category of projectors, they may not have on-site support, they may not have an extended warranty of 2 to 3 years like the installation ones, and they will be very difficult to get at times. The eighth parameter is about projection technology. Now this is very important to understand because while buying projectors, you definitely want a better output on the screen. Now better output can get when the processors are great as well as the light sources are very nice. For instance, in the installation category, we have typically DLP, LCD, SXRD, and in some cases LED projectors as well. And all of these are better in terms of color accuracy and contrast. When it comes to portable category of projectors, we have mini DLP and LED projectors, and there are some laser options available too, which are in the high-end models in the portable section, but they do lack color accuracy and at times even contrast. The ninth parameter is about additional features that you get in both the projectors. For instance, when you buy a portable projector, the additional features like auto keystone, autofocus are available, but beyond that, you cannot really customize or control the projector. That is where the installation projector wins by giving you motorized lens, lens shift, keystone correction, ISF certification for better control and to better calibrate the projector. Now let us look at the final parameter, which is use cases, and this is where the game is going to get interesting. Now most of the times when we compare a Epson 9400 to let's say a projector like XGIMI Horizon Ultra or a Dangbai Mars Pro 2, one of the common factors that you need to understand is that Epson 9400 is one projector which is supposed to be used in a dedicated cinema room for a long throw projector because it is going to be permanently installed from the ceiling. Whereas a Dangbai Mars Pro 2 or an XGIMI Ultra is good for portability and is typically involved in placing it on the tabletop or a center table. So it typically has got applications more got to do with the outdoors and in the bedrooms than in a dedicated cinema room or in the living room. Although these 10 parameters give you a clear picture between the portable category of projector and installation category of projectors, one key factor that will determine your selection is purely going to be dependent upon the application of the projector. Now, if you have got some queries regarding it and if you want some more clarity as to for your application which one should you go for, then hit the link that is shared in the comment section. And for more such amazing videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That's it from my end. I, Tanmay Mehta, your home cinema consultant or home theatre wale bhaiya, will see you again in the next one. Thank you so much.